guys, this is another video, except this time it's about the life of a bird. See, this is literally in my rose bush, and this is the life of a bird. Jesus, sorry about that. But this is seriously the life of a bird. Actually, a couple birds. The mother bird is somewhere around here. I don't really know where she is, but we're just gonna keep a close eye on this nest and see if mama bird comes back. She actually did pick a really good spot, like right in the middle. But let's see if she comes back. If she doesn't, I'm gonna have to end the video there. But seriously, guys, I need to talk to you about this. If you like it, please leave a like. I just started doing this. I just started making videos, and really, I don't know. But just leave a like or subscribe or leave a comment, and I will do anything that you guys would probably want me to do. Except for touching leeches. Yeah, I don't like touching